and welcome back. So in this video I'm basically going to show you guys a quick and easy DIY to exfoliate your scalp. So basically what a scalp exfoliant does is it removes any excess oil, skin cells and dandruff, which actually helps your hair to grow. Now quick story time from my side, and this is one of the first signs that I know that my scalp needs to exfoliate, is when I scratch my scalp. Now obviously we all scratch our scalp, but when I start to see that there is dandruff underneath my nails, that's when it's the first sign, okay, it is now time to exfoliate. Now when you do decide to exfoliate your scalp, try not to do it more than once a week. I would actually say try to do it maybe once a month, or when you start noticing the first signs that you need exfoliation, because even though it is quite soothing and stress relieving to do this exfoliation, it is actually a bad thing. Well, always too much of a good thing is a bad thing, so just keep that in mind. Now if you're looking for the actual scientific reason why you shouldn't exfoliate your scalp too much, not just with too much of a good thing is a bad thing, but it is going to cause your scalp to panic and it's going to start producing a lot more sebum, which is going to result in very oily roots, which is also going to result in a lot of oil buildup, and it's also going to block your hair follicles. Now for this quick and easy DIY, you're just going to need 3 ingredients, which is cinnamon, water and olive oil. As you guys already know, I absolutely love trying out new brands and their products to see what can help us with our hair growth journey. So I have been using these products in my hair care routine, and I must say that my hair is completely in love with these products. So if you are looking for a unique formula packed with nutrients with noticeable hair growth, then make your way down to my description box down below and use the link and the discount code to treat your hair with these awesome products. My personal favorites is of course the mineral hair mask and the ultimate hair growth serum spray. So if you guys want to see the full product review, click here to view the review video right after this video. Be sure to subscribe to their newsletter so that you don't miss out on their unbelievable specials. Now we're just going to need 3 ingredients for this exfoliant, which is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then just a little bit of water to help with the consistency. Now one popular claim is that cinnamon promotes hair growth while reducing hair loss. Now some studies also suggest that the cinnamon may also help to treat dandruff. So olive oil has antioxidant content and it helps to maintain the scalp and the hair follicle. It prevents the hair from cell damage and it improves the hair quality. When these 3 ingredients are applied to the scalp, the cinnamon will stimulate the circulation. This could encourage hair growth and it reduces hair loss. It also has antifungal properties. So guys, just on the side note, when you do decide to do this treatment or this exfoliation mask, just remember to use a sulfate shampoo, and you don't have to wash your hair about 3 times. To do it with a sulfate-free shampoo is not going to really work, or it's not going to take up the cinnamon on your scalp. It's actually then going to stay there for quite some time. So the best is to rather use a sulfate shampoo, and you have to wash your hair at least 3 times. Basically all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to apply this exfoliant directly onto my scalp, especially on the areas where I feel I need most exfoliant, where I feel my scalp is a lot more itchy, or that I feel that there is a lot more buildup there. So those are the places that I will concentrate most on, but in general I'm going to try and do my whole scalp. As I'm applying it onto my scalp, I do try to put a little bit of pressure on it. Don't put a lot of pressure on it. You don't want to damage your hair follicle or your scalp, or you don't want it to start getting irritated with the cinnamon. So I just put some gentle pressure on it just to make sure that it is being exfoliated properly. Now once that is done, I'm just basically going to massage my scalp for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to leave it on for about an hour or so, and thereafter I'm just going to wash my hair. Like I've mentioned before, try to use a sulfate shampoo, otherwise the cinnamon is going to get stuck on your scalp. So you're going to have to wash your hair 3 times as well. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, or if you want to see more of my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!